Hi everyone, and welcome back.
Hello.
We managed to do it 2 weeks in a row. Yesterday I returned back from Poland. It was a nice trip actually. I liked it a lot. Krakow is beautiful and cheap compared to Berlin, and much more tasty than Berlin. And I like both. So the last month I was actually net positive. No, more than more net positive than last several months before that.
Net positive as emotionally or
No, actually emotionally too. But I've been talking about the material aspect, like economical aspect. So even though we visited like I don't know 7, 8, 9 restaurants for those 5 and something days, everything is well acceptable, and some of them were actually great. In our district, which is called Kazimierz, several restaurants are marked by Michelin. No, not like it's Michelin star. They have Michelin stars, but Michelin recommends to visit them, and they're actually very nice. Okay, let's get back to our thing. Let me share Igor's screen because he's coding today in Kotlin. Yeah, did you perform pool already?
no.
Nice. Let's try to launch it and see if it works. Okay, I already see that main KT for some reason is red. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what is the reason though. Oh.
Interesting.
Okay, let's just leave it at 1. Friction. Something is wrong with friction. Yeah, now it's okay. Okay. Did you do some stuff locally? Why did we have conflicts?
I don't remember. Maybe when I was committing last time, I decided I don't need this blob, and then just
Okay.
forgot about
Okay.
it. How
And
do I-
you have afterstash enabled, as we all have.
yeah, Shift F10 doesn't work when I'm
What doesn't work?
Shift F10 to launch it, right?
Yeah, but it probably doesn't work inside terminal because terminal handles your shortcut in its specific manner.
Okay. This is
So last time if I remember correctly, we experimented a bit with UI.
added buttons. Yes. Duplicated content routes. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine for now, and then it will go away. You can actually close this notification. So yeah, in between our episodes, today I discovered that there is a tool to build interfaces, more or less simplistic interfaces, but author of this tool provides some skins for UI, which is nice. Okay, it kind of works.
Yeah. Start.
Very
little. Okay.
You can make the font larger.
Yes, I will start with that actually. You keep talking. I'll make the font larger.
Yeah. So I have discovered a tool that is called something like Skin Composer that allows you to build skin for Sin2D. Sin2D is layout system for libktx, and also it allows you to generate code to with some particular usage of the skin. What are you doing?
I keep talking.
And nobody explodes.
Yes.
Do folks know this game? It's actually beautiful. I like it. So yeah, I mean I don't have much things to talk about. I found that this tool skin composer or something allows you to create a skin. You can start from predefined skin. There are 3 skins defined by default. You can export the skins in some specific format. For example, in JSON, you can also export the skin in JSON, and this JSON can be somehow populated by Syn2D. And then you will be able to reuse it. Probably just put some text on your buttons, add some click handlers to your buttons, and that's all. It generates code in Java. It should be easily convertible to Kotlin, though. But yeah, I hope that we will be able to experiment with it a bit, but I'm not sure. 2.f or 2f or 20f, okay. Wait, what? What's wrong? No. Can you show me the error, please?
What? How?
What?
Val can be reassigned.
Yeah, so it's the wrong way to do it, obviously. Probably you, well, probably you can pass it as constructor arguments. Yeah, I mean, this lambda syntax is probably invalid because
Why? How can I figure out what's?
I don't know. You can hit Control P inside constructor. So we can see here something, and and there is no scaling. Probably we should just Google for bitmap font scale.
Yes, that's what I did.
And what does it say? Control F scale or something like that. Size. So there are only getters.
Yes.
So obviously it's not
if there are getters, then you can set them something. Set fixed with set on texture to string get cuts. I think that when you create a font, default 15 pt, convenient, easy to display text, flip, font file, unless you specify font file.
Okay, again, probably we should not read the documentation on bitmap.
Boolean flip, Boolean integer.
Don't ask me. Flip if true.
Device. Okay, yeah, okay. Very nice name. Congrats. Thank you, Java.
Let's Google it or DuckDuckGo it.
DuckDuckGo. Wait, I need just Java moment.
It's actually not Java moment. It looks like it's a C++ moment or C moment.
Where is the assistant? I want to ask assistant.
Probably you don't have it. Sorry.
Okay, nice. Very convenient feature. Bitmap font.
Yeah, I mean, it will be publicly available in some time, and it probably will be a paid feature.
Okay, nice.
So I can experiment with it. My font.setScale. Wait, what? There is no set scale. Font. There is no set scale. I saw it on the right side of your screen, and just randomly read it. Default font. What? Oh, wait.
They have set scale. We don't have set scale.
How is it possible?
Bitmap font cache.
Okay, how do they get this default font? Oh, you can copy paste this line. Bitmap font default font equals something.
This one?
Yes. Probably only first of them. I don't know.
No, I think you need.
By the way, I don't know what's manager, so I'm not sure.
Can you get me the manager?
It should be a val default. Yeah, but what is manager?
Okay, this is bullshit.
Yep.
My phone get region get texture set filter.
Come on.
This is
Come
what I
on.
use to resize my font, and then like this is Java moment.
I don't understand. My font get data dot set scale. Yeah, data set scale. Okay, this kind of makes sense, but I don't understand what is data.
Well, so wait, what?
So yeah, font
Data.
data just data dot set scale.
This is definitely a Java moment.
Kinda.
Oops. Oopsie. Come on. Oh, here. Yes. Well, it worked.
Well, yeah, kinda.
Okay.
Probably you
let's-
did 2F, not 20F.
Yeah. I also want to have another button. Another button, player state component, bit system, game state.
What are you
and
looking for?
Button. Where is the button?
In this wait.
First scene, right? My first.
We should rename them. My screen or something like that. They're just dumb names.
How do I rename it?
Shift
F6.
F6. Shift F6.
Screen should be main menu. Oh, fuck.
That's fine. That's fine. Don't panic. That was perfectly fine. Okay.
Main menu. I hate that it put the cursor not where I would expect it to be. Main menu. Okay. This is renamed.
Okay, now it makes sense. Yeah, probably it will be easier to find. Okay, so you need to create a new row, I believe, and yeah, probably need.
What was the last one named?
Second screen? First screen?
Okay, second screen needs
Second
to be
screen.
renamed as well. Let's rename it to
End game? Yeah, end screen? Win
end
screen?
screen.
Okay. Do refactor in the bottom left corner. Do refactor. Bottom left corner. Yep.
Why didn't ask me previous time?
Because previous refactoring was obvious. This one was potentially dangerous, but I just don't care.
Okay.
I mean, it can detect when you use something in comment sections or in some weird places, and it's not sure if it should change comments or not.
Okay.
Beautiful.
I like it that I was able to add a button and it worked. And I want to move my the end screen is just defined in main. How convenient. Can I extract it to a separate class somehow?
Yeah, Alt Enter. Extract from current file.
Oh,
Yep.
okay. And
Add.
yes,
Just add it to Git.
yes. Okay.
Also, your font can be val instead of var.
Oh, it's fine.
Yep.
When you have val and var, but then you can still change things inside them. This is very.
What do you mean? You can. Well,
I do.
Not C++ const. You mean? It doesn't work like C++ const because.
Yeah, and then what's the point?
But the point is you cannot reassign the reference if it's val.
I don't care. This is why
it actually makes a lot of sense. So you usually don't want to reassign references, and that's enough to be sure that your structure works good enough. You can synchronize on it and so on. Otherwise,
I specifically want to use this feature to help me not overwrite something, and then I don't care if it's a reference or not, because
I mean, now it won't allow you to rewrite anything, but rewriting anything is different from changing its internals. If you want, for example, data to be immutable, you would make data immutable too, but authors see it another way. So I mean,
I have a very limited control here. This is what I hate about this sort of features in these languages. That I can decide if font is itself changeable, but this doesn't matter because I can set color, I can set scale, and then why do I have to actually care about it being var or val? Because from my user point of view, it doesn't matter. It doesn't change anything.
It changes your garbage collection law.
I don't care. That's why I use Java. If I wanted to care about garbage collector and specifically write constructors and destructors, I would use a language that allows me to do it. I want to use Java to not care about this.
It makes sense. It actually what you're telling is makes a big sense to me, and I'm not sure why actually font data is mutable, for example, and why can't you call set scale on font? I mean,
and furthermore, there is no way for me to forbid myself from changing data after I create.
And I actually find it a bad design. Probably it makes some sense from game dev perspective. I'm not sure. I mean, when you work on like pure Kotlin, you usually won't see anything mutable. The scope of mutable things will be very, very small. You usually operate on read-only structures, data classes, which are mutable, and so on. And to mutate data class, you actually have to copy it. And here we can see this weird interaction of Kotlin and Java when we kind of have something immutable, but it doesn't make a lot of sense because anything inside Java is suddenly mutable. And I agree. I don't see why is it done this way. Again, probably it's something about performance, and probably authors of libktx and GDX itself know what they do, but I'm not sure. Probably they don't.
I mean, it's why is it so low?
So low.
I changed it to 100, and it's still.
Wait. No. It's the wrong. Probably it's the wrong place. I'm not sure. How does our end screen looks? Could you please? Yeah. Clear screen. Be used for draw. Yeah. At the end of the line 18, you have X and Y.
Worse.
Are you sure you want to see the screen split right now?
Yes.
You actually? Okay. So why is
I want this to be parameters in no. No, maybe not. No, I don't want to. Okay. So this is 50 becomes 300.
Now it will be invisible.
Maybe that that thing that we see on the side when we start the game is that runaway component, right? No?
It's possible. I don't have any idea.
In the middle of the...
I don't even know how to debug it, actually.
What is a screen with game screen?
GDX dot something. GDX from capital G. Graphics probably. Yeah. What are we doing?
was trying to divide it.
Okay. Probably, if you want to do some maths, we probably should work with viewports, because viewports at least know something. Okay, but it actually makes sense. Win. Kinda works.
Yeah.
Now you need to offset it. Yeah, it's another way to do it. I wanted to say that we should measure the width of.
Okay, mistake. Height with no wait. With height.
It's actually interesting. We can't know the size of. Well, we should do it in Scene2D2, I believe. We just have to create a stage and put one label in the table. And it will work exactly like our starting screen. And we don't. We won't
set the. Yeah, you're probably right. That
I mean, why do we do HUD with graphic primitives?
Absolutely nothing.
Absolutely not. Is it
totally
a
wrong.
TV show or something?
No,
Absolutely
there is a
not.
song. What is good for war? Of war. Absolutely nothing.
Yeah, that's what they do here. It's basically he basically tries to work with how do you call it? Scene2D.
This is so dumb. Like, okay, so I start to collect my own ideas why I hate libktx.
Okay.
The main reason is that I think that in general, when you do game development, there are a lot of singletons like everywhere, and your global scope is filled with them. So it's very easy that it's very common, for example, because you're not building something that is super abstract. You always have a finite number of these singletons. You always have like a screen or something. And it's like maybe 100 of those, and it's perfectly fine to have them in your global space. And here, I feel like that the framework forces me to think about Java limitations or like Kotlin limitations, because I have to go to some other GDX. I have to remember that this is like big letter because it's a public name or something, and then I have to access this, and I don't really care about that.
Yeah, I kind of get you. So what you're saying is I don't want to type the GDX every time. I don't really need it.
I think that the way I personally measure the design is how intuitive it is. And it's like, like in Python, that this is a very common explanation. You can create lists like this.
Yes.
And then you can say, okay, but what if I want a tuple? And then you say, okay, I will make a tuple. And then you say, okay, I don't know how to create dictionaries, but probably if I see something like this, and then I will be. It would
yeah,
be,
but do you know that this thing is already completely unreadable to anybody who doesn't know Python?
Yes, but if you know Python and if you start writing Python, you start to sort of figure out what it could be, and most of the times you write. And here I don't have this feeling, so I'm pretty convinced that I'm pretty terrible at Kotlin compared to my Python skills. But I think that if I were to write that much Python as much as I wrote Kotlin with you in this project, I should at least have some understanding of what I'm typing. And the fact that I still don't understand where things are going, and it's annoying.
So it sounds like it's not an issue with libktx. It sounds like for you it's an issue with Kotlin or Java. I mean, in general, because
Yeah, I guess in the context of game development, I want to have much more limited scope, and that's why probably tools like Godot are winning.
Yeah.
Because they have a very limited, like you always can access global.
Yeah, but in Godot, I also struggle actually. I mean, I like Godot. Godot is an awesome engine, but it's hard. It's awesome because it allows you to build your graphical component easily, really easily. It's very powerful. But when it comes to writing code, it's not that easy at all. It's not Python, it's not Lua, but it's not the issue. The issue is for me, everything in Godot is kind of unpredictable, and editor doesn't help me at all. Because editor just doesn't know what they want, and it doesn't know anything about code. So for example, if I would be able to write in like vanilla Python for Godot, it would be probably easier for me to write code in PyCharm or Visual Studio or whatever. Of course I would choose PyCharm probably. Of course, probably it's of course I would choose PyCharm. Probably.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, you're on Arch right now, right? You can do -s GDX skin composer. Skin composer. And yep.
You opened it and
yeah, well, let's do it step by step. Skin composer, nice. So do you see this three skins at the bottom? For example, plain James UI. I would choose Neutralizer UI. It's very simplistic and it has everything in it.
Can you move back a bit? You're talking to your mic is not like that.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry. So okay, now you have already skin. Could you please open the project menu on the top?
This is another thing I have with Java UI things. Why they always look so ugly?
This thing is built in libktx. I mean, the whole skin composer is built in libktx, but Java UIs are ugly. Java UIs are ugly because they are kind of platform independent. They should look the same way on Windows, Linux, and macOS, and that's why nobody builds UI.
This way should be ugly. Okay.
Yeah, true. Because otherwise, users of two operating systems will say that it's ugly, and only on my operating systems, I don't know. For macOS, it looks fine, but for Linux and Windows, it looks ugly. So Java says, okay, fuck that. If you need something better, you can build skin yourself, and that's what JetBrains did. I mean, we have our own huge layer of components on top of what Swing offers. Okay. So its settings, keep resources relative. I mean, looks fine to me. Probably we should export this thing.
I don't understand what's going on.
Okay, hit cancel, please. Here.
Seriously? Press the button.
Project. Scene composer. Oh, it was scene composer? No. Okay, now you can add table. Don't ask me, dude. Don't ask me. Okay. You can say if you need one label, you will obviously hit only one square. Okay, now hit this cell in the middle of your screen. Yep. Set widget. Label.
This is so ugly. Okay.
It is. Now you can modify text of it. Yep. I don't know why don't we see anything. For me, it worked, kinda. I don't have any idea, dude.
You had text here, right? But when you
But I used not neutralizer. I used another one, neon or something like that. But I don't know. I don't know.
you see that it changes actually.
Yeah, it actually changes. But probably it's an issue with the skin itself. Okay, let's close this and I don't know, restart.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Now
Okay.
it's okay. Color is, what was that? Clear? No. Okay. Color is red. Yes.
Kind of.
Okay.
It's not red color. I don't know who can call it red color. It's brown, Bordeaux.
Outline, edit, scene. Okay. So now what?
File, export.
Export.
Let's try to save JSON actually. We can save Java 2 later. Find some place, probably inside the game, it will make sense. Okay, let's open this JSON and see what's in there.
Do you want to open it just as
Yeah, I
is?
mean, just no event or whatever.
Okay. Label, columns, something, background color.
Okay, do we have anything else in those directory?
In this directory, no. It's like
Next to this JSON.
oh, well, no.
It's weird. Did you see references in there? Could you open the JSON again, please? Scroll to the end, please. So skin path,
Skin.json.
skin.json, and it's not there, right?
Nope.
Okay, it means that we probably need to export the skin too.
Export the skin. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, it's not there. I believe you. But actually, issues I don't know. No. I mean, no. It will generate Java code. We don't need Java code. How do we close? Okay, let's hit quit. Come on. Yeah, and now file
Makes sense.
doesn't make any sense. Export. Yeah, probably. Export JSON format probably should be changed to JSON. I don't remember. Okay.
I mean, it's probably just the way it's formatted, so it's not.
Yeah, probably it is. I don't know. Let's select JSON just to be able to read it. And yeah, select some path where we want it to be exported. Nice. And give it the name. Skin. Skin should be fine.
Nah, export.
Okay. What? Export to text file? I don't know. What?
Visual Studio, of course.
Oh, okay.
Do not export. Okay, it just exported the. This is like
Yeah. Okay. Do we have the file exported?
I don't remember the name of the folder.
That's because. Yeah, probably this one.
Okay, now there's a lot of things here.
Okay, yeah, it's actually something JSON. Okay, so we have this skin, it's skin definition. We also have layout of our screen. We should be able to import it in libktx. Yeah, it just defines all the properties of the skin for you to be able to reuse it, obviously.
Good.
And it's a lot of code. I mean, I am happy that we didn't have to define anything of in it.
Yeah,
Why?
because now I want a normal name.
Okay, makes sense. Do you want to change the name of directory too?
No.
Okay.
I hope that it doesn't matter. That there are no references in the...
Oh, there is also a texture atlas. Well, obviously. We can open the skin itself. PNG file, yeah. GQ. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, nice. It's a heavily packed texture.
Yeah. Okay.
Makes sense. It even has some Russian letters in it.
I like how they even went the extra mile to compact it even more.
Yeah, I believe it's done automatically.
Somewhere here they just gave up. Like, wow,
I believe it's done automatically. It's done with the help of texture packer. I don't.
Yeah, you're probably right.
It's the easiest way, and I also think that do you see the size of the image is 512 by 512? So you will have nice offsets everywhere. It's not about going extra mile.
No.
What?
It wouldn't matter. You make 512 by 512, so you have like a proper, nicely spaced things like we have with our king or something. But here it's like, look at this. It's like
Wow.
Having nice offset here wouldn't save you. You would have to what? Why? So
do you have any understanding of how texture atlases work? I mean, probably for GPU that's just fine. For GPU, it's just metric.
It says read this from here there. So 512 by 512 probably is a nice thing that it fits in memory and somehow easy to.
Yeah, I mean some memory layout or whatever.
Something like that. But it's it looks ridiculous.
Okay.
Given the amount of the free real estate here.
Yeah, free real estate is fine because it's free. I mean, it's in PNG, its weight is almost zero.
Yeah. So this one has a lot of things here.
Yeah, it's just settings of the skin, obviously.
The Atlas probably defines.
Atlas is offset and so on.
Yeah, the font file is the font export FNT. Interesting. It's UTF text. Okay.
Oh, it's basically the same.
Yeah.
It's almost like Atlas.
And then font title is probably it's different font. Okay.
Yeah.
Sense. And so now what?
Okay, now we need to find a way to read the at least skin, or better even. Okay, probably we need to put all this stuff inside our project, inside assets.
Super skin, or what was it name? Neutralizer.
Then it.
Something like that.
Yes. Thank you.
Right. So
did it work?
Well, external identifiers can be added.
Yeah, nice.
Where's the button add now? But not
view files.
Like what the hell? Hey, you do understand that it's very weird.
Yes.
Okay.
That's a weird.
Okay. Add.
That's a weird decision. I don't even understand it.
All right.
So okay. Now let's read about how do we load JSON from our resources.
Probably it's in the documentation of this.
Yeah, but to libgdx, not to this thing.
Yeah, but this is for libgdx, right? Or...
Yes.
So what do I do after?
Yeah, that's the issue. You have to open the libgdx documentation and find it. Okay.
Are you sure? Are you sure it's not written here? Because this was something I...
Let's try. Okay, let's try. We have export sync, import sync. I can see them. It's running, right? I believe it's exporting.
Export. Generate
See the
texture.
wiki for more details. Do you see it?
Yeah, but it's like
Yeah, and then it redirects you to a wrong wiki, to an old one. So it actually is in the libktx wiki, not in the tool wiki. And I kind of know why, because you are not obligated to create this JSON with help of this tool. So libktx just defines a standard for this JSON and says, how do you work with it? libktx syn2d, okay. This will work too. Skin composer. Yeah, it's just a link to the skin composer.
yeah, but
It's kind of funny that they link each other. Yeah, but it will. I saw it in some different place. Let me look for it too. libktx syn2d JSON.
managing your assets. Asset manager helps you load and manage your asset. Asset manager.
Oh yeah, I
Fixed
think I
message.
found something.
Okay, manager. This is this manager, right?
Probably.
Looks like this is the case for yeah.
Wait, no. Could you please open the link I just sent you in the private chat?
Yeah, just a second.
And scroll down a bit. I saw JSON somewhere in there, I believe. Yeah, skin JSON. You can just, yeah. Populated programmatically is a link. Skin, yeah.
Do you want me to click on it? It's a GitHub.
I think so. Sorry.
Skin files can be used as starting point. Skin composer loading and code configuring free type font for your skin file requires some additional step. Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Okay. We do want to work with the skin JSON.
I mean, this is you still need the assets.
But we have all the assets in there. Do you want to open the code they shared?
Called what?
Code they shared in GitHub. The link we opened.
Yeah.
UI simple test. So pixmap, GDX. Could you please Control F for JSON or something? Skin
Skin can load with JSON or defined programmatically, and that's the only hit on the page.
What?
I mean,
probably when you initialize the skin, you can pass some parameter to it. I don't know. I don't have any idea. How else can it be done? Let's just call. Yeah, file handle skin file. On the right side,
and texture atlas.
We don't probably even need texture atlas. Probably skin file is enough because it probably references.
I mean, we can check it if it references the skin.
UI skin.json.
Doesn't
No,
reference.
it doesn't reference.
Yeah.
But okay. Anyways, that's good enough. Let's just use it.
Okay. Just
What's
Let-
wrong?
I don't
Did
know.
I say something stupid?
No,
Oh.
I have no idea how to use it, and
I don't have any idea too, but we can blindly copy paste the code.
I don't
Or
know
you
what.
can send me the link. It will
what-
take some time to open though.
Yeah.
Give me a second.
We have a viewer, Kathy. Hello. This is what you get if you join the stream. Your comment with hello will get highlighted, and you will be immortalized forever.
Yeah, kinda. Hi, Carthy.
Right.
Something is happening here. Yeah, the security code is 1559.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, my lord.
Uh,
Okay, so what do we have here?
Stuff.
Render clear screen. Let's start with val skin equals skin. Is it possible that I have your? Okay, I don't remember how do we obtain the skin handle? Give me a second, or the file handle.
Like GDX assets. No. No.
Probably not. But again, we have
Manager load asset. No, wait. This is me thinking about different thing. There was some
libgdx.
very good access file system.
libgdx file handle. File handling.
Yeah, GDX files. GDX files, internal.
Oh.
And then there's a path like skin.
And our path is what? Assets, new UI.
New UI.
Give me a second. Oh, the context menu doesn't work for me. Interesting. On the file. Need UI / skin.json.
Yeah, and probably you want the atlas as well. That's the right.
Atlas should be created in some other way. Texture atlas from. Okay.
This is a bit silly, but we actually have a folder called UI in our assets that has the skin and atlas already, and I think that's the skin and default things that we use, and we could have just use that. No.
Sorry. What did you say?
I said that I just found out that we actually have two folders now with UI stuff. There is net neutralizer UI and just UI. And
okay, let's just delete the UI or place everything from neat UI inside UI.
No, let's keep them both because this is different things.
Okay, different UI.
Yeah, I think that this one was like pre-installed in when we.
No, I don't think so. Okay, and now we can create, for example, button or something on draw.
Label. We want the label.
Label. No, I don't think it's what you think.
In style, skin default style.
But wait. It should be possible to load. Do you remember this thing we created? JSON. Oh, could you please open the scene editor again inside this UI? Scene editor, project, scene composer. Yeah, file export. Save to Java.
Copy the clipboard, maybe.
I don't know. Let's save to Java. And we are fine with any name, basically. We just want to see how do they do it. Okay. Okay, so it's application editor. They create stage. Skin, use skin from skin.json. Then they create table. Okay, table set field parent. Then they create a label. It kind of makes sense. Okay, please don't close it. While t equals table to parent true.
Yeah. Then we create
label.
label.
Okay.
New label. Over there. Then it's a skin. And there's a title, which doesn't make sense why we have it. And then label set color. I think that we need to get color red. Okay. Don't need this.
Yeah, you need val label because it's Java and it's Kotlin. It will be val label equals new label, and you don't need new label because there is no new keyword, and you need to import label. And I think you can replace it with skin.label, and then then it will be kind of easier. But I'm not sure. Like this.
No, I don't think so. I think that I will need to use it as a I need this. This label is part of the table. I need to say table add label.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Then what? Stage.
What else do they have? Stage. Okay, we need stage, and we don't have stage, and I don't remember. Could you please open the beginning, the begin screen, or how is it called?
The begin screen, the main menu. Okay.
Give me a second. I will try to find it. Or game. No, shaky
It's
camera.
the main menu.
Main menu, right?
Stage actors. It's just
So
stage, private val stage. Okay. Does it say anything to you?
yeah, I mean, will you do it or should I do it?
You do it.
Okay.
I
Give
don't
me a
get-
second. So we have this. Let's just copy paste the whole thing. I hate that brackets are not after closing.
I hate when they are closing. So it's probably my settings that
Yes,
affects you. Okay.
they screw up my experience.
Sprite batch. What?
Game. Okay, we have now stage actors,
Then
KTX screen. So we have this init stage. Come on. Init stage dot actors table set field parent true. We don't care about paddings. Now it will be a label with wait, how do we define skin here? No, I can't. Skin.
no, skin should be defined before that. So
We
it's
actually can put it like this.
skin GDX files internal in JSON. Wait, what? Mute UI in JSON. Then you need the atlas. Yes. Okay.
Sorry.
Proceed.
Val cannot be reassigned because it's the incorrect val, right? This a table widget.
Do we really need to say this skin is skin? Because I was under the impression that if we
What?
don't what
I mean,
think that you don't need to set it to table because this will be a part of the label. Because the
What?
label is the label hello world skin.
Oh, you're right. Sorry. Hello. Skin. What's wrong? Oh, it should be style, default style. What is default style? Oh, so it will be like this. Do I get it correctly? Like this,
Okay,
right?
I guess so.
Is it what you meant?
Yeah. This is what
I
meant.
cannot reformat the code.
Why?
I don't know. It doesn't work for me.
What's the shortcut for reformatting?
For me, it was Alt plus Shift plus L, but here on Mac or here in Code with Me, it doesn't work.
Forget about it. So we set to parent default bed. Also, let's set that, and then say that.
I don't think we actually need it. Or do you think we need it?
I mean, we have only a single element, so it probably doesn't matter. But,
Yes, that's
yeah.
what I'm talking. Well, that's what I'm saying.
The render function.
Okay, what else? What else with the processes?
I mean, there's
Show.
so-
Wait, we probably should have this show high, render and dispose.
No value
Is it
passed for parameter game and for stage. So stage,
This.
and this.
Oh no. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Let's see. Let's hide this guy. And I mean, I have no idea if it will work. It didn't.
File not found. It's actually interesting. What's wrong with the file?
Skin Atlas not found. Is it?
Skin up. Or did I type it incorrectly?
I typed it incorrectly, or you typed it neutralizer, not.
Oh.
It will fail again. Neutralizer, and this is it. Let's go.
Yeah, it was me. Sorry.
No. No, it's
A reading file new UI / skin.json. Why?
Yeah, nice.
Why?
No idea.
Okay, probably. Yeah, we have. Sorry.
Hmm? No, it's fine. It's something.
No, it's not fine. I mean, what the fuck is code crap?
Code crap. What?
That's not found exception. Com code crap with UI sizes. So probably that's why it doesn't work. Probably we need to add some dependency.
I see.
I don't have. I mean, it doesn't make any sense to me, but at least I will try to find the dependency that contains this class, and probably it will fix everything.
So.
Oh, so this UI is a separate dependency we should add to our project. It seems.
Okay. So can.
Yes. Yeah. Give me a second.
I have no idea how to do it. It's like a
Yeah,
cradle.
yes. No. I will try to do it.
Just try to also explain what you're doing because I'm interested.
So yeah, it's hard to explain. So look, I'm not sharing my browser, so I just looked for the class. I mean, which library has this class com.crap.something, and it was a VizUI library. Now I'm opening build.gradle inside our core module, and I'm adding a dependency I'm not sure if you can see it.
Yeah, I'm following you as a code with
Oh,
me.
nice. So yeah, now let's try to launch it again.
Okay.
I'm not sure if it will work. Probably it's incompatible with this version of libgd.
No, are you sure it's written like this? Because it doesn't look, it's like group.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a random this notation also works. Let's put it this way. No combat logic syn2d. No. What? If you will open the very top, like, yeah, even higher. Yeah, you will see the whole thing.
Okay,
the
so
whole
this wonderful thing actually does not work. That's what I'm figuring out.
Yeah, but if you will scroll to the right a bit.
To the right.
No, yeah.
Default.
No, panel style is not registered default. I believe there can be an issue, and issue is we use the default style only for label, but not for the whole thing. Is it possible? I'm not sure.
I have no idea.
What is defaults? Can I just look what defaults is? For example, in this table, defaults. Can we read them somehow? Expand, field, pad, space, grow. This is tricky. Oh, okay. Let's open Kotlin KTX documentation. Syn2d KTX. Probably they have some explanations.
Low memory. Okay.
Oh, KTX viz. Low memory. Do you have some error? Sorry, I'm not looking at the screen.
Yeah, it says I have low memory. The IDE is running low on memory, and it might affect performance. Okay. I guess it's always
dangerous. Actually, they have the whole separate thing for this VidUI. They have a complete support for it. Let me share a link with you.
So I actually think that this probably means that we need to stop here and.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, yeah.
This makes a lot of sense.
Yes. So like we use some tool, and this tool has an interface on its own, like programmatic interface.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is what I was hoping it would be. Okay. Cool. Well, folks, it's all the time we had today.
So yeah, it seems that we will finish the other time. Today we learned something. First, we learned that Igor doesn't like that we don't have many things accessible in the global space in Kotlin, and lots of things are not intuitive, and at least in libktx, because it's built a little bit Java-ish way. It seems to me that it's not completely Java-ish because it's a C++ library, and Java just copies the C++ interfaces. But anyways, now the next time we'll try to compose a nice screen from it. Probably we'll
kick you out from my code with me session. Actually, is there a way to do it?
I can leave myself.
No, it's not what I want. I want to kick you out.
Sorry.
No,
you didn't want me to. You didn't want to have me there, and you don't have me there anymore.
I still have a saying that Pasha Finkelstein is there, so it's okay.
Did you commit it?
Yes, and push everything.
Nice, folks. As usual, you can see it on our GitHub, github.com/Koding/libktx arcade. It will be compiled in a minute and published to the web. The good thing about this game is it's published to the web, and it actually works, surprisingly.
I think right now it doesn't work, actually. But that's
why?
because we broke it. Just like we can't launch it right now, right?
Oh.
Yeah. So
Oops. Oopsies.
yeah, but
The next time then. Or you can send us your pull requests and we'll fix everything
absolutely.
with help.
Okay. Thank you. See you next
See you
week.
next time, folks.
Bye.